We finally made it. We'll message you later.
See you guys. Thank you again. What's going on, everybody? Adam here, and welcome back to another episode of the Naughty Escape. Today, what is today?
Sunday, the 29th.
Sunday,
The 30th.
30th?
Yeah.
I don't know. You know, we're on vacation mode. It really doesn't matter. We are just now leaving Owlsdorf boat ramp in Pompano, heading to Bimini, Bahamas. Jeff, thank you so much for coming out and giving us our gifts. You know what? This is going to be a great time. Last year was rough and we still enjoyed it. This year, the weather's going to be much nicer as far as waves goes.
And we're much more prepared.
Much more prepared for if anything goes wrong. Absolutely. We're going to do a lot of fishing. We're going a couple days earlier than the rest of the group just so we can get some more fishing in. And we'll meet the rest of them in what, 2 days? 3 days?
3 days.
It's Sunday. They're coming in Wednesday. Other than that, get ready to go. Precipitation ahead of us. I don't know how good this camera catches the rain right in front of us, but we've got 32 miles. We're still kind of headed south. Hopefully you can see this. Thanks for getting the steering wheel. Radar, those rain clouds, they're about 10 miles away. And it ends about, actually anywhere between, let's see, 9 to 12 miles an hour, or excuse me, 9 to 12 miles out, but it stops. So what we're going to do is, we're going to end up trying to go around it, and then hit it from the back. It's good theory. First time using the radar, so it looks like it works. If not, it might be a Gilligan's Island tour. Well, we just got settled in. It's been a hot day. One thing that I realized, I feel like I always have issues every time I come here. It's the second time I've been here, so 100% so far. But I had issues with the T-top, and I realized the metal piece has cracked. So I'm gonna show you. Right here, it's cracked all the way around in the front, and even worse on the other side. So, I asked to see if there was some sort of a welder up here. I doubt I'm gonna get it on the island, but I just made sure that the top, or excuse me, that back post is tightened, and I mean, it is what it is. So this is what happens when you have a boat, but as long as it stays put until we get back, I'm okay with it. I'm still gonna have a good time. All right, let me see if I can work something out. Walk out of the back door. Here's Bree. Nice little beach area. I don't know who left their chair out there.